Hi, I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. Well, I've gone through the last of the bronchitis medicine, so that's over. I'm glad to say it's gone. That was a rough time. In the meantime, I have had jobs accumulating, and one of them is I wanted to go through and fix up some shovels that I got over the summer at various swap meets and garage sales, and I wanted to be able to fix the handles up, put some boiled linseed oil on them and sharpen up the edges. So that's what I'm going to be doing today. It's cold outside. It's not snowing, but it's supposed to snow today, and that means that I really don't want to be outside since I just got over bronchitis. So we're going to be down here in the basement just doing some nice little sit-down work. So pull up a chair, grab a cup of coffee, and join in. First shovel I'm going to work on is this one. I don't have a name on it. It is a number 2 heat treated made in USA. Beyond that, got me. But I've used it. It's very sturdy. The only thing it needs to have this dip fixed on the front of it. I'm just going to sharpen the front of the shovel so that it doesn't have that step in it. And clean off the rust off the shovel itself. Sand this down. Probably scrape it. And then put some boiled linseed oil on it. Now, I'm not going to try and polish this all up shiny. This is a shovel after all. But what I am trying to do is remove the rust so that when I put the boiled linseed oil on it, it doesn't trap the rust underneath it. Well, that's got that part of the job done. Now I need to grind off this. the leading edge of the shovel trued up. I got a little burr on there. I'm gonna have to take that burr off. Good. I'll just take this little scraper and clean up the surface of the handle, take off any splinters or raised corners on it. I don't want to have any of the grain raised up so it catches my hand. Now, why am I putting so much work into this old shovel? Well, it's a cost-benefit ratio. This shovel cost me $3. Somebody was closing out their garage and decided they had too many shovels. And it was kind of old and dirty and the handle was a little screwed up, so they decided to sell it at the garage sale. I stopped by on the third day and they were trying to clear out whatever was left. So prices had dropped. Nice shovel, got a solid hickory handle on it. There. Cleaned up. Got the concrete off. Got the blade sharpened. Now I'm going to put some boiled linseed oil on the handle here. That'll make it so that it doesn't raise blisters on my hands. These gloves are a little small because I went to Harbor Freight at the beginning of the pandemic when everybody was freaking out. And tried to buy some. All they had left was this size. They said they donated all the rest of them to the hospitals. Now, that's a fine, upstanding things to do, but we now know that most of it was a scam. Okay, now put some boiled linseed oil on the steel. That'll keep it from rusting. Nice coat of blow on the handle. And I got a shovel that's good for a long, long time. Well, I've got all the rough work done, and I've got the first coat of blow on the shovel. Needs another coat of blow, and then a coat of paste wax on top of that. Makes it so it doesn't work up blisters on your hands. Now, I generally wear gloves when I'm using a shovel anymore. Don't have the calluses I used to. But then, as we get older, things change. If you stayed this long, why not hit that thumbs up button? And hit the subscribe while you're at it. That way you'll be able to come back tomorrow and the day after, because there's a new video every day. If you stayed this long, you probably liked the video. So why not hit the thumbs up? And click the subscribe button too. Don't forget to ring the bell, that way you'll be notified when the next video comes up. You can also look in the description. I put a link in there where you can get a cup, t-shirt, hoodie, all kinds of things. If you have any suggestions for a new video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on the channel, just drop a note in the comments. You know I read them all. Thanks for watching.
This video is not to be viewed by anyone under the age of 13 in the U.S. or 16 in the European Union without the express written permission of the parents or the legal guardians of the underage person. Such written permission must be on file at the local government entity in charge of enforcing the rules and regulations established by the FTC. Anyone violating these terms is admitting by default that they hold harmless the owners and operators of this channel. Any and all questions should be addressed to your local branch of the FTC.